Alright, what is up, y'all? We back at it again, and on this one, I'm making a custom shifter knob. So I got this old pool table down here in the basement garage that's been sitting down here for years, that the felt on the top is all messed up. I actually have 3 sets of pool balls, but the set that's in here already, we're going to be using these ones. Originally, I was going to use an 8-ball because when I was younger, I actually remember one of my uncle's friends or a car show he had taken me to or something like that. Somebody had one of these as a shifter knob. So I always wanted an 8-ball as a shifter knob. But after looking at these pool balls, I noticed that the 2-ball is a light looking blue, just like the blue that I'm using on the car. So we're actually going to be using the 2-ball, which makes sense because this is my second Camaro and the second car I ever tried doing modding to. So that's going to make a lot of sense for me to have a 2-ball on there. What I started to do to start, so the first thing I did to start this project, I figured out what my thread was on my shifter lever there for the the ball to screw onto, which it is an M16 by 1.5. So I actually went on eBay and I found 2 taps that they were selling for, I think it was like 11 bucks. So I ended up ordering these, got these off eBay so we can do the tap. And now to get the hole, a nice straight hole in there, I went to Harbor Freight and I went and picked up me this drill press right here. It was 69 bucks. I found me a $15 off coupon online, brought it down to 54, and then with taxes and everything out the door, it was 58 and change. So yeah, right now I'm gonna set that up. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all once I get it all set up. Now maybe we'll do a time lapse. What the hell. Instructions. I don't think I'm gonna need them. Or maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna try not to use them because I'm a man. Right, that was pretty quick. What did it take me? Took me less than 10 minutes. It says 8 minutes. I think it was even less than that because I walked away after starting the camera. Alright, well, I just got to figure out where this goes. And I don't know, the chuck piece here seems to just slide in, I guess, by pressure. There doesn't seem like I just have to, I don't know, push it on real hard. There's no set screw that holds it in or anything, so I don't know. We'll see. Read the directions for that part. Yeah, I'm looking at these directions here, and it doesn't show any kind of, like I said, there's no obvious mounting for it or screw that holds it in. That's what I did. Hammer it on there. Apparently it didn't tighten much. This stuff, look, it fell down as I was doing that. So, geez, I guess I gotta go over every little bolt, nook and cranny on here, make sure it's properly secured. All right, we'll plug her in and fire up. Yeah, I think this will be just fine to drill a pool ball. Even comes with a light. I don't know if there's a light bulb in it or we gotta buy one. There's a light bulb in it. Definitely super simple assembly on this cheap piece of crap Harbor Freight drill press I bought, you know, for just minimal light duty drilling. It's pretty much what it's going to be used for. I'm sure we can't do nothing too heavy duty with it, but hell, over the years or course of time I own it, I'm going to test her limits, I tell you that much. But yeah, super easy, had it all put together like I said within less than 10 minutes. So awesome, very awesome. It's the belt drive. And there's 5 speeds that we can set it to. Now I just got to find the right drill bit and we can get started. Alright, now before I go and drill a hole through that 2-ball, we're going to do a practice run on this 8-ball over here. Go ahead and drill this out, tap it, and then see how it works and how straight I get it. Because I am kind of still freehanding it because I'm not clamping the ball down to the pad here. I'm just kind of going to get it centered up with the drill and then hold it down as best I can as I drill through it. So, wish me luck, y'all. Drill's super easy. But whatever this fucking ball's made out of, and that dust will kill you. Yeah, I'm off a little with my drilling already. Let's see if I can get that to go over here. Either that or I gotta figure out a way to mount this thing. These are made out of some kind of urethane or something. Yeah, you can see there, not perfectly straight, way off. See how fat it is down there, the white part, and thinner it is. All right, going to the store to get some milk. Yeah, I had to put a respirator on. That powder shit is killing me. I got 2 fucking mouthfuls of it, you know, just drilling that tiny little bit, and feel like I'm fucking got poison in my mouth right now. And I can even fucking smell this shit through the damn respirator. Damn. But yeah, I fucked this one up. Definitely drilled it crooked as hell. Yeah, I don't know what that stuff is, but it smells like Bondo. And yeah, it tastes like poison. So if you do this at home, definitely get you a respirator, face mask, something, you know, because you definitely don't want to breathe that shit in. So yeah, we did the 8-ball, I drilled it out, and then I just put the tap in my vise here and then screwed it down by hand. And bam, I just screwed it on. And yeah, this shifter, like I was saying, it just pulls out of the transmission itself, the whole bar. I can just yank it up. So even after screwing it on here, no matter what position, you know, it stops screwing down and I can just twist it to where I want. I mean, I think it came out nice. I mean, the 8-ball, again, it wasn't perfectly centered, but, you know, it's not that big of a notice once it's on there. I don't really notice it anyway. I mean, you really got to be looking at it hard to tell it being off that 16th or so that I had it off when I screwed it in. Well, I drilled it and tapped it anyway. But yeah, it looks good. I like it. Now I got an 8-ball shifter, and now I'm about to have me a 2-ball shifter. All right, time for our second dose of poison dust. But yeah, the 8-ball came out good enough. So we're just gonna go ahead and drill that 2-ball out the same exact way, tap it the same way, and then get her on there. So let's get at it. Well, this one already came out a lot straighter by freehand holding it, so hell yeah. Yeah, I'm using a series of 3 drill bits. The smaller one, a medium one, and then a bigger one. lot straighter. Now I'm going to use this grinding bit to widen the hole a little bit. Tapped out. Now I'm just gonna use this grinding bit just to widen it up just a little more in there. This way the threads catch more down at the bottom of the hole, not at the top. This way it sits lower on the shifter stick. Poison dust! Yeah, that's some fucking poison dust, alright? Oy. Alright, so I don't know if you can see down the hole. Yeah, you can, because I can. Yeah, see where the threads, how I grinded it down this way, the shifter stick goes far to the bottom of it instead of threading in at the top here. This way this sits lower on the stick and it doesn't change the height of my shifter because I don't really want it higher than what it is. I want it at that damn OEM level. Alright, 2-ball shifter knob. There we go. 2-ball shifter knob. Custom. I like it. Suits my personality, I guess, or whatever. So yeah, actually someone in the comments, I don't know, a couple videos back mentioned I should do a custom shifter knob. And the steering wheel here, he mentioned the horn button, how I should do some kind of Chevy emblem or something in there. Which, funny thing is, I already had a big plan on doing both of these just the way I did it. Because I had the extra sticker left from the center caps on the rims, which I used it right here. I just cut off the little checkered flag pieces on each side, and then I trimmed the top, which I really didn't do that too good of a job. You can see at the top there, it's kind of crooked, but you know, from the eye, 3 feet away looking in, you don't really notice it. I mean, it looks all right. Yeah, you also mentioned about like some kind of custom badges, like a 1LE ZL1 badge, and I thought that was a freaking awesome idea. You know, that got me thinking. So now, like I was saying before, this is my second Camaro. So, and you know, I built it on the D Struggles YouTube channel. So I was figuring get some DS2 badges made up. Put them in the traditional spots like you would back here under the tail light, and you know, the other two on the fenders on each side. You know, I think that was a pretty cool idea. So, you know, I'm gonna look into custom badge makers or whatever and see if I can order one and how much it would cost to get 3 of them ordered. Either that or I'll just order some chrome lettering and try to custom put it on there myself, one of the two. But yeah, this whole project costed me close to 60 bucks for the drill. I spent $10 to 11 bucks on the taps. So, I mean, it kind of cost me like $70 to just drill a pool ball out and put it on my car, but hell, I got the taps. I can literally make anything out of a shifter knob. I can take a freaking 2x4 and make a shifter knob out of it with the taps that I got now, or, you know, anything. Any creative thing I think of. And I got the drill press to do plenty of, you know, crap around here that I need it for. Making custom fucking whatevers, you know. It's gonna work out great though. Oh yeah. But again, if you're drilling a pool ball out, definitely get a respirator. Yeah, because that fucking dust right there is literally poison. Now even when I clean this up, I'm thinking of, I don't know, maybe even squirting it down with a little water so it doesn't fluster all over the damn shop here. Get a zoot suit on and fucking biohazard suit and, you know, something like that. I don't know, I'm fucking tired. Woo! Either that or that fucking dust got me fucked up. Can't even think straight. Alright, y'all. Peace and love. Keep it real, and I'll see you on the next one.